Nigerian Genius.
My name is Satairu Jibril and I'm representing Federal University of Technology, Mina.
My name is Wanelifani Vincent. I'm a student of Federal University of Turkey, so I represent Team FU.
Hello Nigeria, this is Ben Stowe Destiny from Team UNN.
My name is Ayinwole Yanloluwa Moses. I am a representative for the team LAUTECH, Ladoke Akintola University of Technology. And here to you is some of the projects, some of the classwork we did here at CIC Aba.
So far, for the 4 days training, we are exposed to casting.
We did, casting, sand casting.
Then we also did casting. This is an aluminium cast. So we casted these two things using casting, sand casting.
For the casting, we were given a mode during the class, and this is the mode. The mode, we used 3D printer was used for the mode, and this is the outcome of the casting. So we produced this from the mode.
So some of the things I have here on my table are the works we've done so far. Like this, I have a connecting rod together with a crankshaft. This crankshaft was produced using the manufacturing process of casting.
So we use the casting to produce the crankshaft. This is the crankshaft. Our connecting rod will be connected to the crankshaft, the way reciprocating engines works. So this is what we came out with.
And then finally in our sand casting class, where we are taught about the basics of casting and molding, and then we moved on to sand casting processes and all the different, do's and don'ts when you are trying to produce a sand casted model. And then we were given a project. Yes, we were given a project We even thought about how to, you know, turn on and manage the furnace, how to produce patterns, how to create molds and the rest of that. So what you are seeing in my hand right now is a crankshaft for our connecting rod. So we produced a crankshaft. This is a crankshaft, ladies and gentlemen. It was not produced in China, it was produced here, live and direct.
Yeah, the challenges we faced during our project, you know, approaching that kind of machine, but eventually it came out nice. It came out nice. And also for the casting also, the mold seems tiny, you know. So in the course of creating the mold, the cope and the drag, so it took a lot of time and being careful about it. So but eventually, despite all those challenges, we came out of it and it came out nice. So those are the major challenges concerning the project.
The Nigerian Genius.